Hey, it's Alvin Medora, and every week I send out a Friday email newsletter called the Swipes email that I send out to about 40,000 people, and it has a really high open rate, and we actually book sponsors and run our whole business off of this email list. Now I'm going to show you exactly how I make it. Well, it's Swipes email, so it means swipe, wisdom, interesting, picture, essay, and splurge. It's a little acronym I made up. So it's 6 sections that I need to fill out every single week. So the way I do it is every week I start screenshotting stuff that I see on Instagram, on YouTube, on Twitter, on just browsing the web. Maybe I'm on Reddit, see a cool ad or a post, I screenshot it, go, that's interesting. Basically, I'm collecting in my own personal swipe file, my own collection of marketing, interesting stuff, etc. So throughout the week, I find stuff. And then on Thursday, I go and drop things in each different section. So the swipe section is generally some sort of ad that I thought was pretty cool. The interesting section, something I thought that was interesting. The picture section is generally a little clip from my life. Maybe it's a picture of my family or me or some conference I went to, something interesting like that. The essay is kind of like a fleshed out thought that I have, but basically just a short essay. And the splurge is something that people can buy or something that I bought that I thought was cool or that I didn't think was cool. Basically something you could buy. So then I open up Kit, which is what I send all my emails out with. I open up the browser and start inserting these things. Fortunately, I could just copy and drag stuff or copy and paste directly into it. And I start pasting it into all these different sections. I start writing each one out. So I start fleshing out the thoughts that I have about it, putting them all in order. And then I go through and make it more visually interesting. And what I do is Kit has like a little editor that I can draw arrows on. I can highlight stuff. I can blur things out. I can put borders. So that makes it a lot easier. I don't actually have to like go into Canva or Photoshop and edit 40 different images. I do it directly within Kit. And bam, that's my entire email newsletter. So I go from collecting things every week to inserting them into the 6 different slots that I have, writing some commentary, going through each image and making it visually. And I do this entire thing inside of the Kit browser, so it's just one place. And then I schedule it for Friday at 7:15 a.m. to my entire list. Now, the reason I made a formulaic email is I actually used to send a Friday newsletter, but the problem was it was kind of vague and open-ended. So every time I had to sit down to write it, I had to think, okay, what am I going to send? Where can I get those pictures? Oh, it'd be cool if I got this other picture and then have to like do a lot of work for each individual one. So for me, having some sort of formula to follow was super, super helpful. And the way I found that formula was by just analyzing all the stuff I used to collect, analyzing all the stuff I used to take screenshots of. So it was a lot of ads, a lot of interesting quotes, a lot of little essays I would kind of write in my notes, and then a couple of pictures here and there just to keep things interesting and personal so people can get to know me better. So that's how I've been able to build the Swipes email to about 40,000 people with a super high open rate. It actually used to be closer to about 75,000, but we aggressively cleaned the list to keep email deliverability very, very high. And since we send out a cool email every week, people like it and look forward to it and put me in the primary inbox. And then every once in a while, if I want to make a sale for something or promote something that I'm doing, I could do that and people don't get mad because every week I'm just sending them so much good stuff. And if just one of those sections, like the splurge section at the end, says, hey, buy my book or buy my course or buy this thing that I'm offering, people don't go, oh my God, you're trying to sell me all the time. It's just like slid in there. It's not too bad. And people love that the email is so much value. That's how I'm able to sustain it every week by following this formula. Thanks. My name is Nel Medora. I'll talk to you later. Sign up to the Swipes email, swipefile.com or swipefile.com/newsletter. You can see what I'm talking about every week and get it directly to your inbox.